Okay, today we will learn special consonant. Special consonant is nothing but there is a different way of writing the things. Right? So the first one is if there is a conjunction between a half, the here's a full, the, then it will be written as this way. So it will be throw. So for example, let's learn the word itself now. Now we can learn the word. So it's patra, patra, or if I want to say this, chitra, picture, chitra. So this is a part of consonant only because of the unique feature that like it is made by a half consonant and a full consonant. That's why I named it as special consonant. So the next one. So it's artistic. You make a line, you make a person on a tree or a monkey on a tree. So once again, you make a line, you make a person on a tree. Once again, you make a line, you make a person on a tree. So this is called half curve and full show. So it becomes sh. It is more good pronounced in a word because of there is no vowel in the between. So you have to kind of say it the curve to the before one. If I want to say, so it will be ksha like this. Ksha, 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 ksha. So it's ksha. One more. Kaksha means class. Try shiksha. Shiksha means knowledge. Shiksha means teaching, actually. Okay? So we learn through sh and the next one. If I say sh, half sh plus full r, then it becomes like this. So one more time, you make a line, you make a circle, you make a line, and then a line, and then a vertical line. You make a line, you make a line, you make a line, and a vertical line. Like this. Mhm. This is called shra. So if I give one example, this is shram. Shram is nothing but hard work. Okay? So we learn throw, we learn ksh, and we learn shra. Next one. This is our fourth one. So half jo, full nya, So you have to make a j and a loop. So it becomes j. So it's also said as gear or j. We use this often. So if I say gyan, gyan means knowledge. Okay, the next one. So this is just a unique way to write. If there is a half the and a half the, then you just write it like this. So it's nothing but th. It's more like accurate if you write it in an example. So it's like kutta. So the pronunciation of the ha will go to the before one, as we have learned. So the pronunciation of the hafta will go to the before letter. So it's kutta. Kutta means dog. It's just the unique way to write it. So all the conjunction are nothing but the unique way to write it. So one more. If I say the ha plus ear, it becomes like this half and full here. Yes, this is vidya. Vidya, knowledge. So this is our all the five consonants, special consonants.